Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'll show you how to make my sweet, simple neck scarf, which is made in half double crochet stitches. I'm using 1 skein of Marley Bird's Chic Sheep for red heart and a size G hook. To begin, I'm chaining 71, but you can adjust this number if you wish. For row 1, skip that first chain and just make 1 half double crochet in each stitch across the chain. At the end, continue with just 1 half double crochet in each stitch. It's a good idea to measure now. Mine is 18 inches, which fits nicely around the top part of my neck. On to row 2. Chain 1 and turn your work. Half double crochet has a unique look to it. There's a back loop, a front loop, and another loop in front. We're going to be working with the traditional back loop from now on. In the first stitch, we're going to make 2 half double crochet stitches in it. And then, for every other stitch across, except for that last one, we're going to make 1 half double crochet across. In the last stitch, we're going to repeat what we did in the first stitch. 2 half double crochet stitches all in that last stitch. You can see how this starts to flare out on the ends because of the increase. Chain 1 and turn your work. With this row, we're just going to make 1 half double crochet in each stitch across using the back loops again. And at the end of this row, do like we did in the beginning and just put 1 half double crochet in the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. Row 4 is like row 2, where we start out with 2 half double crochet stitches in the first stitch. 1 half double crochet across, and then 2 half double crochet stitches in the last stitch. Going forward, make 15 rows. All odd number of rows will be just 1 half double crochet, and all even rows will have 2 half double crochet stitches in just the beginning and last stitches. You can see the ribbing on both sides of the scarf and how the points on each end flare outwards. Lay your scarf on the table and bring the ends together like this. The smaller part is on top and the flared ends are on the bottom. These elongated buttons are nice because you can fit a crochet hook through their spaces for the yarn. I like to take both ends from the button and tie and knot it securely inside my scarf. There is no need for buttonholes since this longer button can easily fit in between the stitches. And here's my finished scarf.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video, and please visit my website at Naztazia.com.